Welcome to Eye on Crypto, where we delve into the crypto flow and share the insights you need to know.
Despite the goal of decentralization, cryptocurrencies are operated and secured by increasingly centralized networks and mining organizations that control the security of the network. With the rise of post-Bitcoin networks such as Ethereum, the initial goal of processing financial transactions has been expanded to provide trustless distributed computation by way of the EVM and its smart contract system of logic. While diverse and creative implementations of these distributed protocols exist, they are siloed from existing mainstream software, and as such there is a high barrier to entry. It is highly costly and time-intensive for enterprises to develop, deploy, and maintain robust distributed applications using unfamiliar coding languages and design patterns. Additionally, scaling such an application to the performance demands of even a modest enterprise use case is practically impossible on top of current state-of-the-art public blockchains. To overcome these technical challenges, blockchain technology requires a self-sustaining protocol that functions as a horizontally scalable, cost-effective, and efficient distributed operating system. Bitcoin was created to solve the problem of distributed consensus for financial transactions, but relied upon the energy-intensive consensus process known as proof of work. This pools vertical computational power from a select few individuals with well-developed and hence centralized computing power. This puts network security and rewards into the hands of the same select few. As scaling debates have escalated within these cabals, it has led to the creation of several Bitcoin forks such as Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold. These separate political factions are highly divisive and damaging to the ecosystem. Antiquated throughput requirements, i.e. capped 1 megabyte block size, combined with a time-intensive algorithm has caused transaction times and transaction fees to skyrocket. Ethereum uses a similar, but ASIC-resistant proof-of-work consensus algorithm and is moving to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. With proof-of-stake, there is a democratic imbalance where those with the most money get to choose the state of the network through consensus. Ethereum pioneered the use of smart contracts. However, due to their synchronous execution, consumer-ready distributed applications are severely bottlenecked. Concurrency is key to providing consumer-focused products, and Constellation achieves this with its smart contract as microservice architecture. What makes Constellation different? The blockchain development community has been looking for new implementations of distributed ledger technology to solve the scalability issue and has so far failed to solve this. The problem still remains. How can we process more transactions and perform more services in less time with less cost? Constellation DAG propose a horizontal scaling approach that applies techniques similar to MapReduce. Horizontal scalability is the application of concurrent programming. It means that as users join the network, transaction throughput increases. MapReduce is a process of breaking computation into simple operations that can be fed into an asynchronous DAG, directed acyclic graph, of computation, thereby increasing the efficiency of an already concurrent program. The Constellation protocol implements a horizontally scalable blockchain architecture known as Extended Trust Chain with a peer-to-peer layer known as a gossip protocol that can be deployed on a mobile device. Constellation approaches smart contracts with a microservice architecture, allowing for highly available services to be chained and composed into distributed applications with just an understanding of each microservice's SLA, service level agreement, and type signature. Gossip protocols allow for large networks to communicate total network state at a scale that is orders of magnitude higher than existing blockchain technology. In this type of network, each member of the network keeps track of its neighbors, and when it receives new messages, it propagates that message to all of its neighbors in turn. This has some interesting mathematical properties, but in this case, it allows for a large pool of connected devices to share the state of the network and achieve consensus at a scale that is unheard of on current blockchain implementations. One approach to blockchain consensus that allows for horizontal scalability is Extended Trust Chain. In Extended Trust Chain, there are multiple node types, each with their own responsibility and role in the network to asynchronously govern different aspects of the protocol. Constellation DAG propose a fault-resistant, horizontally scalable, distributed operating system that can implement full nodes as a mobile client, built into a modern serverless architecture using an extended trust chain. This architecture ensures high transaction throughput, allowing for consumer-grade distributed applications to be built on Constellation. Basically, Constellation is a feeless decentralized network that enables anyone to build the future of Web3 on a secure, infinitely scalable and cross-chain interoperable protocol underwritten by DAG, its native utility token. DAG is a native cryptocurrency and utility token with a fixed supply on Constellation's decentralized hypergraph network. DAG secures network utility by providing liquidity and sufficient bandwidth to the entire ecosystem. The more metagraphs that launch on the network, the more utility the DAG token will have, and the more scarce DAG will become. By holding DAG, you can participate in the generative economics of the network and support increased bandwidth in various ways. Stake DAG to run a node on the hypergraph network to validate data and transactions and receive validator rewards of DAG. Staking DAG on Lattice, powered by Constellation's HGTP, secures network utility and enables cross-chain liquidity between other ecosystems. The total supply of DAG is 3,550,000,000 with a little under 74% in circulation. Market capitalization of Constellation DAG is $87,404,106 and is ranked number 294 on CoinGecko at the time of making this video. Market cap is measured by multiplying token price with the circulating supply of DAG tokens. 2.6 billion tokens are tradable on the market today. DAG is currently trading at 3 cents. The highest price paid for Constellation DAG is $0.451761, which was recorded on August 25, 2021. Comparatively, the current price is made of 92.61% lower than the all-time high price. DAG tokens can be traded on centralized crypto exchanges. The most popular exchange to buy and trade Constellation is Gate.io, where the most active trading pair DAG BTC has a trading volume of $6,096.33 in the last 24 hours. Other popular options include KuCoin and CoinEx. The company was launched in 2017 and the DAG roadmap dates back to April 2018. Headquartered in San Francisco but spread across the globe, Constellation's core team are detailed on their website with links to their social media accounts. Constellation have been forming some large partnerships over the past 2 years, including a partnership with the Department of Defense, Amazon AWS, Dell, and also some other cryptocurrencies including Quant and Helium. Constellation Network can handle 80,000 transactions per second, with zero fees. So Constellation is a proven project that provides secure, decentralized, high-speed transportation of large amounts of data. So has real use case and we believe could do very well in the next bull run. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own further research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose into anything. What are your thoughts on Constellation DAG? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like. Keep your eye on crypto. And we will see you on the next one.